What a view! This is insane.
It's like a game you can play walking through Shibuya Crossing. Try and like walk straight without moving and not hitting anyone. It's really difficult. Hey, what's going on? Hope you're having a shit one. Today, I'm walking around the streets of Tokyo, Japan. I've got my 7200 here. I've also got a few other lenses in my bag as well that I'm gonna bring out. And it is currently raining today in Tokyo, which is something I've never done before. The last time I was here was about 3 or 4 years ago, and I spent 2 weeks in Tokyo waiting for it to rain and shoot the rain, but it never did, unfortunately. But today, that day is finally happening, so let's go shoot the rain. I'm just gonna take this shot here. Oh, it's so cool. Wait for him to go in the middle. Nice. Love shooting an umbrella. The compression of this lens is just like nothing else. I know I rave on about the 105mm from Sigma, but I actually didn't bring that lens on this trip. We're gonna be working a lot with this lens today, I think. All right, we've got Liam over here who's filming his POV, and he's also got this 360 camera on the back, which is so sick.
Yeah.
So I'm really interested to see what that's gonna look like.
Yeah, just like a different angle for when you're, just for when I'm walking around,
Yeah.
you can cut to that, but then when I'm taking a photo,
You can cut to that, yeah. Damn, this is so cool. Wanted to do this for so long. Tokyo in the rain, let's go. Also, I'll just mention quickly that all the photos you're about to watch in today's video have been edited with my Lightroom presets. So the photos up here on the screen are edited shots, not straight out of the camera. This is straight out of the camera, and this is when I edit them. If you want to download one of my preset packs, I'll leave a link. Oh, my voice broke, fuck. Sorry, I swear every time I try and do an ad, I always fuck it up. But if you want to get Lightroom presets, they're linked down below. What if we walk to Shibuya? How long would it take? Yeah. It's only a 2.5 hour walk.
2.5 hours, is that it? Yeah, it'll take half an hour by train.
So, this shot is good, like it's okay. But something Liam and I have talked about recently is when we're shooting subjects, especially in like a bigger landscape like this, you want to try and get the subject to be very obvious in the frame. So that's pretty much my aim for today. Yeah, this way. So my aim, oh shit, fuck, wasn't supposed to cross. God damn, we're the worst tourists. Sorry. My aim for today is to, if I'm going to be shooting subjects, is to just try and frame them nicely so they stand out and they're very obvious in the frame. And that actually also helps you edit as well, because you're not trying to put as much like central focusing on the image. It's just sort of photo already does all the talking. So that's sort of like the hardest part about being a photographer though. It's like trying to frame it right, especially with street photography, you only get the moment that you have. But I think something else that's really important to remember is just shoot more. Like, don't try and like sit here trying to perfect an image. Let's see, we got this at the moment. Don't sit like trying to get the best image, because then you're never going to take anything. You're going to be sitting there trying to, you know, get a perfect shot. Shoot more and just shoot everything. Like, this is a sick shot right here. you just shoot everything, then you're more likely to get a cooler shot.
Oh, that is such a sick shot.
Oh, is that the Tokyo Tower? It might be. This tower up here is like completely covered in fog. I wonder if I can get a panning shot of someone in their car. Oh, I think I got it. No way. Look this way. Someone once asked me on one of my videos why I shoot through the LCD screen. Now let me tell you something, I don't. I do it for the video. Otherwise, how are you guys supposed to see what I'm shooting? But usually when I'm taking photos, oh wait, hang on, enough rambling. Oh, cross. Go on, woman. Oh. I'm waiting for an umbrella. 200 mil. Nice and moody. There we go. I wanted someone by themselves. Okay, this shot's not working anymore. I'm leaving. Shoot through the umbrellas. Trying to composite my shot through these umbrellas here. Don't know if I got it. There's just infinite things to shoot here. I don't think I could ever get bored of this city. The reflection of the umbrella. Ah, let's focus on the fucking window, of course. So this is Shibuya. Shibuya? I'm probably saying that wrong. Now, there's a pretty famous photography location just around the corner from here, but we're taking a slight detour. This is like photography heaven to me. Got some hip fire. Dude, this is insane. Look at this, man. How many people? You can cross every direction. Try and take some super compressed shots down there, so I might cross over. My tripod here. God damn. Oh, there's a tunnel of trees up there we can shoot. Dude, this is nuts. This is just insane. How many people do you want in your city? So I don't need one person where my focus is right here. Like just crossing, not quite where the crossing is, like there. Bang. See how the subject is like really separated in the shot? Because the ground sort of slopes up on this compression. I can't believe I'm here, man. This is nuts. This is actually, I'm genuinely like just standing here trying to soak it in because there's just so much going on. Yeah, I'd love to go up there. All right, I think what I want to do is I want to get like an overhead shot of all the umbrellas crossing. Preferably try and get like as many clear umbrellas in one frame as I can. Or like one red umbrella with clear umbrellas around it. That would be sick as well. I don't think that's gonna happen, but whatever. Let's be optimistic. And I think I'd be able to get a pretty cool shot inside Starbucks coffee there, because I don't need to be like extremely high up on one of these rooftops. I just need to get like a little bit higher up. So I'm gonna go over to the Starbucks coffee. Yeah, it's like a game you can play walking through Shibuya Crossing. Like, try and like walk straight without moving and not hitting anyone. It's really difficult. It's like a Where's Wally? All right, I'm gonna go meet Liam on the rooftop. It's like the viewing deck above here. So obviously my picture that I wanted was gonna be really unrealistic. Like, I wanted like one red umbrella with like a bunch of clear umbrellas around it, but that's pretty much impossible to plan for. Well, you can't plan for it. Yeah, maybe I can just try and get like a clean shot, like one person just walking across, like the last person who's crossing or the first person who's crossing, I don't know. We'll try that instead. Looks like I've got my own 360 camera up here. I like put the camera on you in the lift. It's so funny. You just look like you're doing something wrong when when you can see yourself in the lift, you just look like a criminal. All right, let's go have a look at this rooftop. Sick. Huh? This view?
Yeah.
Oh, did you just find out about this room?
Yeah, take your shoes off.
Do you go around as well, or do you come through here?
No, you just have to take your shoes
Oh,
off.
okay.
Look, were you going to the other viewing point?
Yeah, I was gonna go have a look quickly.
Have you been to this room?
No, I've never been in this room.
Dude, the view from there is better because there's no water on the glass.
Oh, perfect. Okay, I'll come in here.
Yeah, just take your shoes off.
I'm gonna need some help. Get me beer, can't forget that. Oh. Oh, holy shit, dude. Holy shit, what a view. This is insane. They're like little ants down there. Oh, dude, I was in the Starbucks in there before. It was the shittest view. Everyone was looking at me as well. I'm like, all right, this is what I look like, by the way. I'm like Raincoat Assassin's Creed. Anyway, let's try and get some shots. Oh, this is so cool, man.
It's
just insane. So much to look at.
I know.
Yeah, they literally look like little ants. Like, it's really satisfying.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a red umbrella. A red and a black umbrella.
I don't know. believe it?
Oh, this lady got stuck. She's still crossing.
Yeah, through the traffic.
Yeah, through the traffic. What a dickhead. Love the bikes as well. Okay, red umbrella. It's not even crossing on the crossing. Great. Blue umbrella will have to do. It's definitely not the same though.
Yeah, sure it's not. Yes. Did you get that car?
Yeah, the yellow
Such a cool
taxi.
taxi.
I know. He's like right in the bottom corner. You walk Magoo. Yeah, it's too much glare. I'm gonna sign the wall. Okay, just to show you before we leave, this is one of the rooftops you can go on, and it's just like, you just have to buy a beer for entry, but we can't really shoot it because all the rain, but I kind of like the rain. I think it's kind of cool. Like on the window here. Why not? Okay, which line?
The same we have to go from
That station, there's another station in there. I don't know if this is going to be a good shot. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve as well. All right.
For the Chiyoda subway line and the Futoshi subway line.
Wow. So Liam and I, we just got to Shinjuku, it's the next city above Shibuya. We're about to go meet up with Liam's family friends actually, Honami and Sayaka, for Opanyokin fuck. There's just so much to shoot. It's not fair. I don't have enough brain power to take all the photos. It's ridiculous. Hey, we made it. Here we go. Hey, we're filming. You can say hi. Wow, look at this. All right. Ooh.
Cheese and potatoes and butter. And then they put kimchi in middle.
In the middle?
Yeah,
Oh, in the middle, like middle hole. In here?
Yeah.
Okay.
4 minutes?
4 minutes. All right. Good enough.
It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Put it back together. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, look at that. Nice. Thank you. Alright, it's really hot still, but. Wow, oishi. Sugoi. That's really good. We just finished lunch and feeling pretty replenished and a little bit drunk if I'm honest. I had a lot of beer. They just kept serving me beer and I'm not gonna not drink the beer. Anyway, we're actually heading off to a place called, well, the English translation is Piss Alley. That's where we're going, apparently. So we'll go check it out and see what sort of photos we can get. I might swap to the 85. Alright, we're on the 85 now. Oh, it's getting windy. Damn, this is some ugly weather. Windy and cold. Yeah.
One here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
This is so sick. Oh yeah, created a traffic jam. Wow, this alleyway is amazing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely looks a bit different to Port Melbourne.
Yeah.
Are you videographer?
Yes.
Yes, I'm photographer.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Yeah, really?
Yes.
What is your name?
What is that? Choda.
You Choda?
Gyuichi
Gyuichi.
Oda.
Gyuichi Oda.
Yeah.
I'm
Gyuichi
Liam.
Oda.
Liam.
Liam.
I'm Mike.
Mike. Liam. Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you take a picture of me and Liam?
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Take a photo
Yeah.
of us.
Of us?
Okay.
Maybe down here.
Yeah, you take a photo of us, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Just moments.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more
Nice.
time.
Okay, okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey,
Hey, thank you.
Oh, thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Thank you. You must be a photographer. Do you want to stand next to this lantern
Okay.
up there? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice.
Try again. Yeah. One more. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. It's okay. There's people in the background now. I think this is good. Brava. Through the steam here, it's such a cool shot. Hard to get it though. Wow, that was a really cool spot. Hard to shoot though. Ah, hey, where's Liam? Ah.
Rainy day?
Yeah, we love it. It's our favorite because you get, yeah, the colors on the ground. You don't get that during the day,
Yeah.
and at night time as well. You have like
Yeah.
lights, and there's just more going on. It's easier, easier to shoot for us. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a bit fucking close. No, it's still sick.
Look at
That
the
is good.
Look at the 360 camera up here.
Holy, wait. What?
Let's go.
Yeah, we'll do one more walk.
You want to just go for a walk over there?
Yeah.
Across the road?
Yeah.
This is so insane. This is just insane. It's perfect conditions. It's really hard to take a bad photo. Oh, that's a landscape one for sure. Try and hip fire this. Ah! That is fucking difficult. Okay, straight down. Move cab, please. Oh, it's raining pretty hard now. Toyota Sentry. Sick cars. This is a sick shot of a sick car that we do not get in Australia.
Another shot you can get from the other side of the road there.
Down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just-
I haven't taken that before. Ah, that would have been a great shot. All right, well, it turns out the iPhone does not have as good of a battery life compared to the Sony. I've still got 4% left on this battery and I got plenty more. So I'm gonna keep shooting into the night. So I'll be posting plenty more photos of what I'm gonna get in Tokyo on my Instagram @NorthBorders. Once again, all the photos that you've seen in today's video have been edited with my Lightroom presets. So if you wanna up your editing game, you can download them. I'll link them down below. Thanks for watching. This was such an awesome bucket list shoot for me. So I really enjoyed shooting this one. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, maybe you can leave a like down below or help me out by hitting subscribe. But with that all said and done, have a shit one and
See you in the next one.
yeah, brother.